Hi, my name's Lisa. I'm a corporate chef and I have my own business, Baked in Barrel. Today we're going to be making some roast beef wraps using our Helga's mixed grain wrap. To create our BBQ Aioli, we're going to mix our Praise whole egg mayonnaise and our Eater barbecue sauce together. So just going to pour in quite freestyle, nice big dollop of the mayo, and then just a little bit of the Eater barbecue sauce. Give that a nice little stir, and then set that aside for later. For our balsamic onions, I'm just going to julienne the red onion quite finely, and then I'm going to fry it up with a little bit of balsamic vinegar until it becomes caramelised. Now to assemble our Helga's mixed grain wrap, we're going to start with some rocket, and then we're going to pop in some nice roast beef. And if you just fold the beef, it gives it a bit more height when you put it into your wrap. Top with our onions, and then finish off with our BBQ Aioli. So with your wrap, you just want to fold from the bottom, so give yourself a little bit of space, and then fold your corners in. So there you go, there's your Helga's mixed grain wrap with roast beef.